Hare Srinivasa.
Ramayana question and answers, which are in English. Name the parents of Sri Ramachandra Devaru.
Dasharatha and Kausalya.
Name the three prominent wives of King Dasharatha.
Kausalya, Kaikai, Sumitra.
Which Vamsha does Sri Rama belong to?
Surya Vamsha.
Name the birthplace of Ramadevaru.
Ayodhya.
What is the name of Yajna performed by King Dasharatha for begetting children?
Putra Kameshti Yajna.
Who is the Kula Purohit of King Dasharatha?
Vasishta Rishi.
Under whose supervision was Putrakameshti Yajna performed?
Rishi Shringa.
Name the brothers of Sri Ramadevaru.
Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna.
Name the mothers of Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna.
Mother of Lakshman and Shatrughna is Sumitra and mother of Bharata is Kaikai.
Name the sage who wanted Sri Rama to accompany him to the forest when Rama was a young boy.
Vishwamitra.
Why did sage Vishwamitra took Rama and Lakshmana along with him to the forest?
To protect the Yajna from the demons.
Next, name the two mantras which was taught by sage Vishwamitra to Ram and Lakshman.
Bala Ati Bala.
Who was the first person to be killed by Sri Rama?
Tadaka.
Name the sons of Demonis Tataka.
Maricha Subahu.
Which son of Demonis Tataka was killed by Sri Rama?
Subahu.
Whom did Sri Rama free from curse, Shapa Vimochana, after killing the demons in the forest?
Ahalya.
Who is Ahalya?
Ahalya is the wife of Rishi Gautama.
Whom did Sri Rama marry? To which kingdom does she belong?
Lord Rama married to Sita. Sita belonged to Mithila.
Name the father of Sita Devi.
Janaka. Maharaj Janaka.
Name the bow that was broken by Sri Rama during Sita Swayamvar.
Pinaki Bow.
From which did King Janaka receive the Pinaki bow?
Lord Shiva.
Whom did Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrughna marry?
Lakshman married to Urmila. Shatrughna married to Shrutakirti and Bharata married to Mandavi. As a fact, Urmila, Shrutakirti and Mandavi are also Sita's younger sisters.
Whom did Rama meet en route to Ayodhya after marrying Sita?
Lord Parshuram.
To whom had Dasharatha promised two boons?
Dashrath promised to Kaikai.
Who spoiled Kaikai's mind in evil way?
Manthara.
What are the two boons did Kaikai ask King Dasharatha?
The first boon that Kaikai asked to King Dashratha is to send Ram to Vanvas for 14 years, and the second boon she asked was to make Bharata the king of Ayodhya.
Who lived with Rama in the forest for 14 years?
Lakshmana and Sita.
Was Bharata happy with his mother's boon?
No.
Where did Bharata meet Rama and what did he say post his father's death?
Bharata met Rama in Chitrakuta. He told that He told to Rama that Rama should rule Ayodhya.
What did Bharata get from Rama?
His Paduka.
From where does Bharata rule the kingdom?
Nandigram.
Name the boatman who helped Rama to cross the river.
Guha.
Name the elderly woman who gave fruits to Rama.
Shabri.
Name the sister of Ravana.
Shurpanakha.
What did Surpanaka ask Sri Rama?
To marry her.
What did Lakshmana do to Surpanaka?
Cut off her nose and ears.
Who accompanied Surpanaka to the forest?
Khara, Dushana and their army.
In which disguise did Ravana come to kidnap Sita?
In the disguise of a sage.
Who came in the guise of the golden deer?
Maricha.
Name the bird which fought with Ravana during Sita's abduction.
Jatayu.
Who is the brother of Jatayu?
Sampati.
What did Sita drop at the time of her abduction to Lanka?
Jewelries.
Name the brothers who ruled Kishkinda.
Wali and Sugriv.
Who killed Wali?
Rama.
Name the son of Wali.
Angad.
Name the wife of Wali.
Tara.
Name the wife of Sugriva.
Rume.
Who was responsible for Sugriva's friendship with Rama?
Hanuman.
Name the parents of Hanuma.
Anjana Devi and Kesari.
Where was Sita kept in Lanka?
Ashok Vatika.
Name the bear who was in Rama's army.
Jambavant.
From which Parvat did Hanuma start his journey to Lanka?
Mahendra Parvat.
Name the son of Ravana killed by Hanuma.
Akshay Kumar.
Name the astra that was aimed at Hanuma by Indrajit.
Brahmastra.
What was exchanged between Sita and Rama through Hanuma?
Ring and Chudamani.
Who will exchange the ring?
Rama exchanged the ring.
And who will give Chudamani?
Sita gave Chudamani.
Okay. After Ravana set Hanuma's tail on fire, what did Hanuma do?
Flew through Lanka and set fire on Lanka.
What was built on Indian Ocean by Rama and his monkey army?
Ram Setu. The bridge called as Ram Setu.
Name the parents of Ravana.
Vishrava and Kaikasi.
Name the brother of Ravana who joined Rama.
Vibhishana.
Name the prime minister of Ravana.
Prahasta.
Name the brother of Ravana who sleeps for 6 months and eats for 6 months.
Kumbhakarna.
Name the wife of Ravana.
Mandodari.
Who is Indrajit and who killed him?
Indrajit is Ravan's son. Lakshmana killed him.
Name the mountain brought by Hanuma with his one hand for curing the monkey army or Lakshmana.
Sanjeevani Parvat.
Who killed Ravana and Kumbhakarna?
Sri Rama.
Who was made the king of Lanka post Ravana's death?
Vibhishana.
What is the Mula Rupa of Rama, Sita and Hanuma?
The Mula Rupa of Rama is Sriman Narayana. The Mula Rupa of Sita is Devi Lakshmi. And the Mula Rupa of Hanuman is Lord Vayu.
How many years did Rama rule Ayodhya as per Sauramana?
11,000 years.
And last but not least, the question is, name the two sons of Rama.
Love and Kusha.
Good going.
Harishna.